Deep in the heart of Egypt's eastern desert, archaeologists have made a discovery that rewrites the history of ancient Egypt. A royal tomb, hidden for over 3,700 years, has been unearthed in the sacred necropolis of Abydos. But who was buried here, and what secrets does this tomb hold? Join us as we uncover the mysteries of this remarkable find and explore its significance for our understanding of Egypt's past. In this video, we'll dive into the discovery of the royal tomb, explore the little-known Abydos dynasty, and uncover a Roman-era pottery workshop that reveals the economic life of ancient Egypt. Let's get started. Unknown royal tomb unearthed in Abydos. To understand the significance of this discovery, we need to travel back to the Second Intermediate Period, 1700–1600 BCE, a time of political fragmentation in ancient Egypt. While the north was ruled by the Hyksos, a group of foreign invaders, the south was controlled by a mysterious line of kings known as the Abydos dynasty. The Abydos dynasty ruled Upper Egypt from their capital at Abydos, a city revered as the burial place of Osiris, the god of the afterlife. Despite their importance, little is known about these kings until now. In 2014, archaeologists discovered the tomb of King Senebke, the first known ruler of the Abydos dynasty. This new tomb, found just a few kilometers away, may belong to one of his predecessors, offering crucial evidence about this enigmatic dynasty. The tomb was discovered 7 meters beneath the ground, in the Gebel Anubis necropolis. This sacred burial site, named after the jackal-headed god Anubis, is dominated by a naturally pyramid-shaped mountain that inspired earlier kings to build their tombs here. The tomb features a limestone burial chamber topped with mud brick vaults that originally rose 5 meters high. The walls are adorned with inscriptions of the goddesses Isis and Nephthys, who flank the entrance to the burial chamber. Traces of hieroglyphic texts, which once bore the king's name, offer tantalizing clues about the tomb's occupant. While we don't yet know the exact identity of the tomb's owner, the evidence suggests it may belong to a predecessor of King Senebke. This discovery is a game-changer for our understanding of the Abydos dynasty. This tomb provides crucial evidence about royal burials in Abydos and enhances our understanding of Egypt's political landscape during the Second Intermediate Period. It's a testament to the importance of Abydos as a religious and burial site. The tomb's design reflects the continuity of royal burial traditions in Abydos. Earlier kings, like Senusret III, built their tombs beneath the pyramid-shaped mountain, and the Abydos dynasty kings followed suit, choosing to be buried deep in the desert near the mountain. While the royal tomb is the star of this discovery, it's not the only breakthrough. Just a few kilometers away, an Egyptian mission uncovered a Roman-era pottery workshop in the village of Banawit. This site, believed to be one of the largest pottery production centers in the region, offers a rare glimpse into the economic life of ancient Egypt. Among the discoveries were 32 ostraka, inscribed pottery fragments, written in Demotic and Greek. These texts provide insights into ancient commercial transactions and tax collection systems. Shedding light on the economic practices of Roman Egypt, the site was later repurposed as a burial ground in the 7th century CE, with evidence suggesting it remained in use until the 14th century CE. Among the discoveries were mud brick tombs, human remains, and family burials, including a child mummy found in a sleeping position, wearing a colorful woven cap. Archaeologists also uncovered plant remains, such as wheat roots, barley seeds, and doomed palm fruit, which reveal the region's agricultural history. These discoveries are more than just archaeological milestones. They are windows into the lives of ancient Egyptians and their successors. The royal tomb in Abydos provides new evidence about a little-known dynasty and its burial practices, while the Roman pottery workshop offers a rare glimpse into the industrial and economic activities of the region. These findings are significant contributions to promoting Egypt's rich cultural heritage and supporting academic research. They reflect our commitment to uncovering the secrets of the past and sharing them with the world. The unearthing of the unknown royal tomb in Abydos and the Roman pottery workshop in Sohag are testaments to Egypt's enduring legacy as a cradle of civilization. These discoveries remind us that history is not just about the grand monuments and famous pharaohs. It's also about the everyday lives, struggles, and achievements of the people who came before us.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.